रेड्डी जी, आप शुरू नहीं करना चाहते?
Speaker, sir, I rise to oppose the motion of thanks on the President's address. Sir, the people of Telangana are deeply disappointed with the President's address.
नहीं मानिए सदस्य, प्लीज बैठ जाइए।
What was assured,
आपस बात मत कीजिए, प्लीज।
what was assured for the state of Telangana, for the people of Telangana, when the state was created in the AP Reorganization Act 2014, we expected that in the President's address, there would be some mention of it. In the AP Reorganization Act, Telangana state was assured a railway coach factory at Kazipet, a steel factory at Bayaram, and many other issues. The people of Telangana are deeply disappointed with the President's address. Honorable Speaker, sir, many members have said, where is it that the farm laws have created any disturbance for the farmers, any damage to the farmers? I want to bring to the note of the government through you, sir. The Chief Minister of Telangana, after meeting the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, made an announcement that because of the new farm laws in Telangana, they are closing down procurement centers in the villages, that they would be not procuring at MSP. He said because of the farm laws, the new farm laws. Speaker, sir, through you, I wish to demand that the government clarify that on what basis, what discussion the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister had, that the Chief Minister announced that all procurement centers run by women self-help groups and primary agriculture cooperative societies would be closed from this Rabi crop. Sir, the Honorable President also mentioned about the MSP and the procurement. I want to bring through you to the notice of the government how insincere and not committed you are. The schemes of the government through which you are supposed to implement MSP, supposed to support the price of procurement of agriculture produce, year on year the budget has been reduced. For the price support scheme of the government, in 2019-20, this government allotted 3,000 crores. The next year, 2021, the amount was reduced to 2,000 crores. In 21-22, Speaker, sir, through you, I want to tell the Minister, you have reduced the amount to 1,500 crores. For PM Asha scheme, which was announced with a lot of fanfare to ensure MSP for every grain, in the year 2019-20, the budget allotted was 1,500 crores. The next year in 2021, you reduce the amount to 500 crores. This year, sir, Speaker, sir, the amount of the PM Asha scheme, which is to ensure MSP, has been reduced to 400 crores. Speaker, sir, through you, the Minister is also here. I want to point out to him about the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Not one farmer in Telangana, is covered under crop insurance. Not even one. 3 months back, there were heavy rains. 25 lakh acres were completely destroyed, damaged. Not one farmer received compensation from the state or center or any insurance amount. Speaker, sir, I also wish to bring to note of the government through you, there are 10 insurance companies that are exploiting the farmers and the government. In the last, from the time the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was started, the total premium paid for these 10 insurance companies was 1.35 lakh crores. The premium paid, public extra money, was 1.35 lakh crores. And what was the claims of the farmers? Only 90,000 crores. That means 45,000 crores. These 10 insurance companies have profited in your crop insurance scheme. Speaker, sir, this government talks about doubling of income. In 2016, they said the income is 8,400. By 2022, the income will be doubled. Taking inflation into account, the amount should have been at least 20,000 per household by next year. Till today, the government has not done any study, any report, because it was only a jumla. They are not sincere about doubling the income. Speaker, sir, through you, I request the Minister, Rajnath Singh ji, when he came to Telangana in 2019, he gave a public assurance on the turmeric board. for purchase of turmeric, for marketing of turmeric. There is no step forward by the government on this. I urge the government to set up a turmeric board in Telangana. Speaker, sir, just two more points. The Honorable President mentioned about new All India Institute of Medical Sciences being started. I want to bring to the government, 2.5 years back, a new AIMS was announced, sanctioned by the Government of India. Even till today, it's in my neighboring constituency. There are not even outpatients in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. There are only outpatients. There are not even inpatients in the hospital.
Dhanyavad.
Sir, I'll finish off. Sir. Sir, very important, sir. Sir, this is about the president speaking about the martyrs in Galwan Valley. Sir, I was also a soldier. I served on the China border. I served on the Pakistan border. Colonel Santosh Babu, who was martyred in China, is from my constituency. He is also an alumni of the National Defense Academy, of which I am. Sir, I wish to appeal to the government through you, in Colonel Santosh Babu's case, in his memory, they must open a military history museum in Suryapet, which is his native place.
Jugal Kishore Sharma ji.
Sir, lastly, sir, I just finish off. Sir, Arnab Goswami's WhatsApp chats were undoubtedly treason. As an ex-serviceman, I'll tell you that as a fighter by the Air Force, if such a sensitive information has been